Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete liked videos on YouTube in bulk to clean up your liked videos playlist, follow these step-by-step instructions to remove multiple videos efficiently. Step 1. Open YouTube on a web browser on your computer for easier bulk management. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Library from the drop-down menu. Step 3. In the left sidebar, click on Liked Videos to view all videos you have liked on YouTube. Step 4. Hover over a video you want to remove and click the three-dot icon next to the video title. Step 5. Select Remove from Liked Videos to unlike the video and remove it from your playlist. Step 6. Repeat this process for each video you want to remove. Note that YouTube does not currently offer a built-in bulk delete feature for liked videos. Step 7. To speed up the process, consider using browser extensions or scripts designed for bulk unliking on YouTube, but use them at your own risk. Step 8. Refresh the page periodically to ensure changes are saved and videos are successfully removed from your liked videos playlist. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.